Welcome into today's episode of A Room of Her Own.
Basically, my father was the only son. He was lonely during his life. All the other cousins were 3 brothers, 4 brothers, blah, blah. So he was alone, 1 sister. So he wanted 2 sons. Firstly, my sister was the eldest, and then he had a son. So when it was me and my sisters were a trial for a son. So we used to tell him कि आपको तो बेटा चाहिए था, हमको तो extras आपने ऐसे ही पैदा कर दिया. You never wanted us in the first place. You wanted a son. उसमें मैं भी हो गई और वो भी बेचारी हो गई. Then you had to put a full stop.
You mentioned that though education was given a lot of importance by your father, even for all the children, and yet the brother was sent to a much better school and for education.
More expensive school. Yeah, so they thought that he's the one who's going to take care of the family, so he should get good education. Girls just have to get married and go to their respective homes. So a less expensive school, so to say, but a good school. Plus, with his limited financial constraints, he could afford only one person getting good education. But as it happened, my sister was very good in studies. She topped the school and she was teaching in LSR and she did her MPhil and all, whereas my brother barely managed to scrape through. But despite sending him to the best school, etc., So he did well later on, very well. But initially he was least interested in studies. He was more interested in playing around, And because of my mother's health. And when she passed away, my father was lonely. He said, don't go to work. If you go in the morning, you'll come at night. What will I do? I'll go mad. He also had a paralytic stroke. One side was weak. So he was moving around with a walker at home and all that. So at the end of my career, totally stopped working when I was doing so well. So they wanted, my father left the house. He left whatever he could because I wasn't working and I looked after them. Nobody came forth. Nobody. They didn't even know what all medication they were on or what treatment they were getting or what investigations were done. So once he passed away, they started, I'm alive. I'm not dead. I'm still alive. I need the place and he's left a shelter for me so that I'm not dependent on my siblings. And why should I be? He said, you should have the same standard. Otherwise, they will look down on you and they do not treat you well.
Yeah, and it's a bitter practical truth.
So even my uncles and all said that you must leave something to her. She should not be at their mercy. So here they came fighting for property, one bloody house for which miracle, and they're all doing well. And my father gave them whatever they could. He distributed, but I got the house. They got cash, which they didn't like. Especially my brother, I am the son,
Yeah, जिसको इतना पढ़ा रहे थे because
he never took care of them. Even for a single day, he didn't take care of them. He just moved on with his wife. He went abroad, didn't look back. So now is the time when I'm left alone and isolated. ये हमें घर नहीं देगी तो इसको boycott कर दो. So they have boycotted me.